Kia ora, good morning, happy Friday, happy World Albatross Day. Yeah, that is a real thing. I'm Mike from Markets, this is Kiwibank. Markets in a minute. Okie dokie, the New Zealand dollar. It's been a choppy old 24 hours, really, but we're going to kick off Friday around the lower end of the 64s. Yeah, 64.21. Yeah, as it happens. So just recapping the past 24 hours, because it's kind of interesting. We started yesterday in the mid-64s, advanced to the upper 64s as GDP data hit Reuters screens early and was better than expected. Not only was it released early, it was wrong, and when the actual disappointing numbers hit, the Kiwi dropped to the lower middle 64s, so back down here. Then Aussie unemployment numbers, also disappointed, more Kiwi downside, lower 64s. We did recover over the remainder of the day and throughout the early evening, upper middle 64s, and then crashed on dollar strength in the wee small hours, back to the lower 64s. What a ride! Yeah, that greenback strength, that was a risk-off flight to safety play after weekly jobless claims data. Disappointed. Yeah, a few consistent themes there. Disappointing data and 64. Yeah, bigger picture, right, global equity markets. They were a little mixed overnight, but with a decent downside skew. None of the major indices are down by more than 1% this morning, though. So far. Yeah, still a bit of time to go. Drivers, headlines, market movers. Jobless data, mentioned that. Basically, US jobless claims and continuing claims were steady last week, and the market was expecting a modest decline. US virus cases, they continue to tick higher. Not really a lot of curve flattening going on there. The IMF, they announced that they expect the US economy to tank harder than current consensus forecasts during Q2. That's the Q that we're in right now. Yeah. And in a similar vein, a member of the Federal Reserve, Loretta. Yeah. Anyway, she expects 2 years for the economy to recover to pre-COVID levels, and that is the economy, not stock markets. Not the same thing. Yeah. And the UK, because it's not always about the US. The Bank of England, they are going to inject a further £100 billion into the economy via asset purchases and other magic little things. Yeah. All in all, not a lot to get excited about amongst those market movers. Yeah, what else? Kiwi crosses. Right, we lost ground to the dollar and the yen. Risk off. We gained against the pound. Bond buying. And steady on the Aussie and the Euro fronts. Okay, looking ahead, there are a couple of Fed speakers hitting the webcams, I assume, tomorrow morning, including the big dog, Jerome Powell. Beyond that, though, it's the always unpredictable and sometimes exciting headline watching that will shunt markets this way and that. Okay. Done. Have a great World Albatross Day. Ka kite anō.